Tell us where you're from, Heather. How old are you, first of all?
I'm 11.
11
I'll
years
be
old.
12 on Saturday.
12 on Saturday. Happy birthday. Do you have plans for your birthday?
Yes, we're going to Ohio.
Going to Ohio to visit the family and friends?
No, just to see a concert.
Oh, a concert. What concert are you
A
going to see?
Mark Schultz concert.
Oh. Should I know who that is?
Probably.
Yeah. It's a lot of things I should know. Now, Heather, how long have you been interested in science?
I've really liked science since I was, I don't know, probably for quite a few years.
Quite a few years, yeah. And what about science? Is it just a sort of an endless curiosity that you have about life and the world? Is that probably where it's from?
Yeah. I
Yeah.
think.
Well, don't let me put words in your mouth. Do you know these other kids here, Heather?
Yes, I do.
Oh, good. If you get, so you know them back in Illinois. Is it Illinois? Is that where you're from?
Yes.
Yes. And you go to school where?
I go to Wheaton Christian Grammar School.
Okay, all right, good enough. Now, let's get right to the experiment, Heather. What are we going to do and what are we going to prove here?
So here I have these 2 beakers of xylem.
Beakers of what, I'm sorry?
Xylem.
Xylem?
Yes.
I don't know what xylem is.
It's like a chemical needed for light, sort of. So one part is a dye with some alcohol, and the other is hydrogen peroxide
Where do you get these chemicals?
from a glow stick.
Oh, from a glow stick. Oh, there you go, from a glow stick. Mm-hmm.
Could you break that, please?
Should break it? How do you just break it in half?
Yep.
Anywhere along the line, just
Yep.
like that? Oh, wow. Look at that. That's beautiful, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
When
Look at that. You ever seen anything like that?
You're getting very sleepy. All you want to do is go home.
All right, Heather, what do we do with this?
we mix the 2 together, they will undergo chemiluminescence. You can just put that there.
Chemiluminescence. All right, I'll put it right
Yes.
there. Now, I've heard of bioluminescence, when animal life and vegetation glow. I've never heard of chemical luminescence.
Well, chemiluminescence is when the chemicals will give off cool light due to the excitation in the electrons.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to pour the manganese dioxide in later.
Okay.
But the manganese dioxide will act as a catalyst and break down the hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen gas. The oxygen gas bubbles will get caught in the soap, and it will also get very hot. So we're going to pour these 2 together.
All right, now let me ask you something. Should I have a pair of those safety glasses on?
Yes.
Thank you very much. You have your safety, put your safety glasses on. Okay. All right. Now, do you want me to pour something somewhere?
You're going to pour these 2 together.
This one goes into that one.
Yes.
Is that correct? Okay. And are these deadly poisonous?
Well, you don't want to drink them, but
You know, it's interesting because all I've wanted to do all night is drink them. Whoa, buddy, look at that.
then,
That's beautiful.
then you're going to add this into the beaker.
Now, I put this one up here?
Yes.
Okay. This is good. Wow, that's just crazy, isn't it? That's actually quite lovely.
You're going to add the manganese dioxide and then back away quickly.
Get back here, kids! Come on, kids! Whoa! Wow! Whoa, buddy! Can we approach it now?
Yes, we may glow in the dark foam.
Don't touch the foam. Can you touch it? Heather
it's very
Bonga,
hot.
ladies and gentlemen, beautiful job, Heather.
Yeah.
Enjoy your birthday on Saturday in Ohio. Wow. Wow. That was really very impressive. And your name is Yusef Hajarab? Hajarab, is that correct? Yusef Hajarab?
Yeah.
Son, you have got your work cut out for you. I mean, there we had something glowing and exploding at the same time.
Yeah.
Well, what do you got, some kind of little top or something? Well, first of all, tell us a little bit about yourself. How old a guy are you?
Well, I'm 13 years old.
13 years old. Are you a married man?
No.
What grade you in?
I'm in 8th grade at Kennedy Junior High School.
And you have brothers and sisters?
3 sisters.
3 sisters? Oh,
All
that's
younger than me.
Oh, good. So you get somebody to shove around. Do you have pets?
No, no pets.
Yeah.
yet.
Sports? You interested in sports?
Not really.
Yeah. Had to think about the pets. Let's see. Do we? Let's see, get up in the attic, Billy. No, I don't. Now, what are you going to do for us here, Yusuf?
Well, this is a cornstarch and water solution, commonly called oobleck, after a Dr. Seuss book.
Oh, oobleck, sure.
So oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid.
Now, I don't know what that means, non-Newtonian fluid. Explain that?
Well, that means that the fluid's viscosity, or its resistance to flowing, increases as it is stirred or compressed.
Right.
So the
Yeah, I know that, sure. Yeah.
So the cornstarch in oobleck is made out of a long chain of molecules, or a polymer. So when we push on the oobleck quickly, these molecules can't pass over each other easily.
That's right. Actually, we've had pools of it, and you can actually walk across it because of it's a non-Newtonian fluid. All right, let's go. What else are we going to do, Yusef?
So under those conditions, it behaves like a solid. But when we push on it slowly, it'll behave like a fluid.
Okay.
So try pushing it into your hand. So try pushing your hand into it slowly,
Slowly.
very slowly.
Yeah, I go right in. It's wet, it's gooey, it has all the properties of a liquid, yes.
Now take it out, and now smack it hard. That would be enough.
That was...
So your hand wasn't going through.
This was your idea of an experiment? Did you see that thing a minute ago? That thing lit up and then this is just like... All right, great, thanks.
So now wait.
Yeah.
Try picking it up.
Try picking it up. The fluid, just try picking it up?
Yes. So now let it ooze out of your hand.
Yeah, look. Oh, look at that. Yes.
So it behaves like a liquid.
And a semi-solid in this condition. Yeah, yeah.
So
Okay.
we're going to turn on the speaker, which also has oobleck on it.
Oh, we have a colored oobleck.
Yes.
A multicolored oobleck on the speaker. That sentence has never been uttered in the history of humankind. Multicolored oobleck on the speaker. All right, turn it on. Yeah, you've made an omelet. Nice going. All right.
So as you can see, it's becoming solid-like and bouncing around.
Yeah.
This is because non-Newtonian fluids exhibit the properties of solid.
Solids and liquids. All right. You want to turn that annoying humming thing? Okay, great. Thank you very much. And now it's back to a liquid. Very nice, Yusuf. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right over here. Your name is Shruti Baxi.
Yeah.
You know, this is a name I've never heard before. Shruti Baxi. Is Shruti short for another name or a family name, or it's an original name, Shruti?
Yeah.
Well, congratulations. It's unique. Tell us about yourself, Shruti. How old are you?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old, and you know the other kids?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, and you go to school with them, is that right?
Yeah, but we don't really see each other.
Don't really see each other. No, I think that's probably wise. Sixth grade at Kennedy Junior High School. Family, brothers and sisters, pets, stuff like that?
I have one older sister named Shreya.
Shreya. And pets?
No pets.
Let me see, do I have pets? No, I don't believe I do have pets. Shruti, thank you very much for coming to be with us on the program tonight. Tell us about your experiment here.
Well, many solid materials, when finally divided into a dust form, become highly explosive.
That's right. We hear about grain explosions, silo explosions out west when it's stored in the proper conditions. Kaboom.
And that happens because more surface area is exposed.
Oh, I didn't know that. It's the exposure of greater surface area causes it to explode.
Oh, you can see.
Now get up in the attic!
Now, you can see.
Oh, we got to get the glasses on here. I'm sorry. Yeah. Okay, go ahead. I'm sorry, Shruti, go ahead.
So you can see this big chunk of wood.
It's a 2x4?
I'm not sure.
Yep.
Well, this big chunk of wood is
Gonna
going
heat
to
her
take
up.
a very long time to
That would take,
set on fire
forever to catch fire because of the mass, the density in the mass, right?
because of the surface area.
Surface area.
But this wood excelsior that's right here
Right.
will take less time because
Oh,
more
man,
surface
look at
area
that.
is exposed.
Yeah. Excellent. Wow, that's cool. All right.
Well, this is why chemists grind things up to